Let's grab our boards and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hail it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so blue, so bluer than the clearest sky. And the waves are fire and getting higher and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt.
Nang.
Ang bait naman to, isa. Ilan talaga ito sa akin. Nagre-record ko tayo.
Eh, lulutuin natin kasi ito. Oh, ayan oh. Yung kusinera ay magluto.
Kasi
Kakape muna tayo bago tayo magluto.
hindi na magluto. Ikaw tagaluto, ako tagakain.
Shout out guys. Ayan. Isang ginisang Baguio beans at sisigang natin yung kalahati niya, yung kalahati pansasahog natin. Yan. Sisigang. Tapos dito pansahog. Tayo na Baguio beans sa sinigang. Sinigang na sa kulay. Sinigang na baboy. Baguio beans.